Hello, Sarah from One-Eyed Cat Online Marketing here. Welcome back to item number 19 in the Ultimate Google Ads Checklist for e-commerce. Today we're talking about whether you are using all the available headlines and descriptions in your ads. So recently, I think it was last year sometime Google introduced an additional headline and an additional description line in your text ads. So you now have 3 headlines and 2 90-character descriptions available to use. So it might be that you are still running old ads and you haven't started testing these new ones. So it is very important that you run through your account and make sure that you are writing ads that make use of all the available character allowances that you have to make, because basically these ads are much bigger. You're going to be competing in the search results against, if you don't, you're going to have much smaller ads competing against much larger ads in the search results, and you're likely to see your results not be as good as the people with the larger ads that are making use of all the characters. Now, I'm not suggesting that you would go through and just, on a sweeping level, just pause all your old ads and just write new ones with all your 3 headlines and 2 descriptions. I'm not suggesting that at all. What you need to make sure you do is test these new larger ads against your current best ads, smaller ads, and see which ones are working, because sometimes the old ads do work better than the new larger ads. But you need to test that. You need to make sure you're adding these new larger ads into your ad groups to make sure that you can find the ones that work best for you. It's all about improving your performance and making sure you're getting the best click-through rates and the best conversion rates from your ad. So that's today's point, is to make sure that you are at least testing and trying out using the extra headline and the extra description line in your ads to make sure that you are getting the best possible results that you can. So that's it for today. If you've got any questions, please post in the comments below, where you can also download the checklist down there as well. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for updates on new videos as I post them. And if you have any topics you'd like me to cover, please post that in the comments as well, and I'll do my best to do that for you as well. Take care now. Bye bye.